Hello dear students, in this video I am going to talk about first order kinetics. This topic is from the chapter chemical kinetics. First order kinetics. First order kinetics. Students, one important thing about first order kinetics is all radioactive disintegrations will follow first order kinetics. All radioactive disintegrations will follow first order kinetics. Students, let us take hypothetical reaction. A gives rise to products. At time t is equal to 0. That means initially concentration of A, we will take it as a naught. At time t is equal to t, concentration of A we will take it as A at time t, At. And in other terms, we will represent it as A, and if the conversion is x, the concentration of A at time t is A minus x. Then students, rate we can write it as minus dA by dt. Minus dA by dt is equal to K into concentration of reactant to the power 1, because it is a first order reaction. Rate will depends on concentration of the reactant to the power 1, that is called as a first order kinetics, right? So then let us transfer the A terms one side, let us write A terms one side and T terms other side. So transfer this A to this side, then it will becomes as dA by A. This I am writing it as 1 by A dA is equal to minus sign, I am writing that side, minus K dt. By integrating this in between the limits, here initial concentration A0 to final concentration At, 1 by A dA is equal to minus K. K is a constant, we can write outside the integration. So here 0 to t dt we can write. Students, then integral 1 by x dx is equal to ln x. Integral 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. By using this formula, we can write this as ln A. It is in between limits A0 and At is equal to minus K. Integral dx is equal to x. Integral dt is equal to t, we can write by substituting the limits t minus 0. This side we can write this as ln A, substitute the upper limit first, ln At minus ln A0 is equal to minus KT, right? Students, this is in the form of ln A minus ln B, which we can write it as ln A by B. This we can write it as ln At by A0 is equal to minus KT. So natural logarithm ln, that base is E. So from this, students, we can write it as At by A0 is equal to e power minus KT. Then from this implies At is equal to A0 into e power minus KT, which is known as exponential form of first order reaction. So if you draw a graph, that is t, by taking t on the x axis and At on y axis, you will get a graph like this, exponentially decreasing, like this graph you are getting. Students, all radioactive disintegrations will follow first order kinetics. A gives rise to products, general hypothetical reaction we are taking. At time t is equal to 0, the concentration of A, initial concentration is A naught, and it is in other terms we can take it as a small a. At time t is equal to t, concentration of A is At. At other words, we can write it as A minus x, where x is a conversion. Then rate expression we can write it as minus dA by dt is equal to k into A power 1. So this is, we are writing the A terms one side, t terms to the other side. Then 1 by A, this we are transferring to this side, dt to the other side of equation. 1 by A dA is equal to minus k dt. Integrating between the limits a naught to at, and this is in the limit between the limits 0 to t. So 1 by x dx is equal to ln x. Then this is ln A in between the limits a naught and at is equal to, this side we are getting this as integral dt is t. This is in between the limits 0 and t minus 0 we can substitute now. So students, when we substitute these values, limits, then ln at is upper limit, ln a naught is a lower limit, is equal to minus kt. This is in the form of ln a minus ln b. We can write it as ln at by a naught is equal to minus kt. So from this, here base is e. So we can write at by a naught is equal to e power minus kt. So at is equal to, so from this students, at is equal to a naught into e power minus kt. This is called as exponential form of first order reaction. So graph we will get like this, exponentially with the increasing t, the at will decreases exponentially, right? Let us do the derivations of first order kinetics now. We got ln at minus ln a naught is equal to minus kt, minus kt. When it is multiplied with the minus 1 or minus sign, then we will get ln a naught minus ln at is equal to kt. Ln at is equal to kt. This is in the form of ln a minus ln b. We can write it as ln a by b we can write, which is equal to kt. So to convert natural logarithm into common logarithm, it should be multiplied with 2.303 log a naught by at is equal to kt. Log a naught by at is equal to kt we got. Students, then from this we can write, from this we can draw a graph, this equation. This is at is required for us, ln at is equal to ln a naught minus kt. From this, ln at is equal to ln a naught minus kt. Students, this is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is c, y coordinate, y intercept is c, and slope of the line is m, and x coordinate is t. So by drawing a graph, that is by taking time on the x axis and ln a naught at on the y axis, we are getting a graph like this with the negative slope. Y intercept is ln a naught and the slope of the line is minus k. Slope is equal to minus k. Students, then in the place of ln at we can substitute it as ln a minus x is equal to a naught plus we can substitute as a is equal to kt. Then also we will get a similar graph, that is by taking t on the x axis and ln a minus x on the y axis. So with the negative slope we will get a straight line equation with the negative slope. Slope of the line is minus k and y intercept, this is ln a we will get. But generally when we are doing the calculations in the first order kinetics, we will use this equation 2.303 log a naught by at is equal to kt we will use. This is useful in drawing the graph, right? And this is also in terms of a and a minus x. Initial concentration A naught is same as A, and concentration of A at time t is A minus x. Students, now let us do derive for the T of. Students, half-life time, that is time required to 50% of reaction to complete, T of which is indicated as. First order integrated rate equation is 2.303 log A naught by AT is equal to KT. A naught by AT is equal to KT. When T is equal to T of AT is equal to A naught by 2. A naught by 2. So T of is nothing but time required for 50% of the reaction completed. Let us substitute these values in this expression. 2.303 log A naught divided by A naught by 2 is equal to K into T plus we can substitute it as T of. Students, A naught gets cancelled. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 2.303 log 2, 1 by 1 by 2 is 2, which is equal to K into T of. This value, log 2 value is 0.3010. By substituting that, 2.303, 0.3010 log 2 is equal to K into T of. So from this, students, we will get T of expression for the T of is equal to 0.693 by K will get. K is equal to 0.693 by T of. That means the T of half-life time for the first order reaction does not depend on the initial concentration, because there is no A naught term in this. Half-life time for first order reaction does not depends on initial concentration of the reactant. So when we draw the graph, that is by taking A naught on the x-axis, initial concentration, and T off on the y-axis, we will get a straight line, because for the second order reaction, A naught, T off is independent of the initial concentration A naught. Student, this is about the first order kinetics. Thank you for watching.